Hello folks, and welcome to the unboxing of my Commodore Amiga A600. I had a Commodore Amiga A600 when I was a kid, and I traded it in to buy a graphics card for my PC at the time, which turned out to be one of my biggest regrets. So let's get this unboxed and we'll have a good little look at it. Seems really well packaged. In this box we have the power supply, and this other box here which, not sure what's in this. And here is our lovely Amiga 600. Just look at it. This Amiga 600 appears to be in absolutely immaculate condition. It's likely it's been in someone's loft for around 20 years, and now I have the opportunity to have a little play with it. Here's our copy of Workbench 2.1. This Amiga 600 appears to be in its standard retail format with a Motorola 68000 CPU clocked at 7.09 MHz and 1 MB of internal memory installed. As you can see on the motherboard, there is a sticker on there with the date 11/94, which means that this board was past November 1994. I've invested in a compact flash PCMCIA card that will slot into the side of the Amiga 600 and enable me to transfer all of my games from my PC to my Amiga 600. And also a compact flash to IDE adapter to install a hard drive into my Amiga 600. It is extremely difficult to find an original laptop drive to install into the Amiga 600, and they are really expensive, so this seems to be the most cost effective way of getting a hard drive installed into this Amiga 600. As I have only recently invested in these items, they are still yet to arrive, but when they do, I will make another video showing how these can be used to get the games from my PC over to my Amiga 600. This Amiga 600 comes with version 2.05 of the Kickstart ROM and version 2.1 of Workbench. Version 2.05 of the Kickstart ROM is the earliest version of the Kickstart ROM that supports the IDE controller. In future I will look at installing a trapdoor memory module to increase the memory capacity of the Amiga 600, and this will increase the speed of transferring of large files from my PCMCIA compact flash card to the internal IDE to compact flash HDD that we have installed in the Amiga. Now that we're all unboxed, let's switch it on and check that everything is working. That beautiful sound of that floppy drive wearing away. And there you have it. This Amiga appears to work really well. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in our next video where we play around with the PCMCIA compact flash card and copy our games from that to our internal compact flash IDE drive.